Hi, I'm Emma, an aluminium fabricator for Eden Greenhouses, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble and attach a mid-wall joiner. If you have a greenhouse that is 16 foot or longer, you will have one or more mid-wall joiners. This connects the sections together and strengthens up the structure. Before we begin, make sure your front and sides are attached and are on a flat, level surface. Just an important note that the two sides you have attached to the front are the ones labelled front to mid-wall joiner. You will need to assemble your mid-wall joiner. Bring out your box with all the parts for the mid-wall joiner. In your box, you'll find your top triangle, your left-hand slope vertical and gussets, your right-hand slope vertical and gussets, your two side braces, and your cross brace along with your nuts and bolts. Just like in our rear assembly, the parts are labelled. Green is for the left-hand side and yellow is for the right. Keep your 10mm socket or spanner handy, but remember not to over-tighten as they only need to be finger tight at this stage. Now we're going to lay our parts out according to this diagram in your instructions. Now that you've got all your parts laid out, it's time to grab your nuts and bolts. The first part that we're going to assemble is your slopes onto your top triangle. Start with putting your slope on top of the triangle. Drop your bolt in from the front and secure with the nut from behind. Now that your slopes are in place, you'll need to attach your left and right hand verticals to your gusset. Just like your slopes, your vertical sits on top of your gusset. Drop your bolt in from the front and secure with the nut from behind. Our next step is to add our bracing. Start with your cross brace. Place your cross brace underneath your slope and secure with the nut and bolt. Following on, we'll attach our side bracing. Our side braces sit on top of our slope and cross brace and underneath the bottom of the vertical. Attach your top ends to the slope. When attaching at the bottom, remember that the side brace sits underneath the vertical. That completes the assembly of our mid-wall joiner. You'll now need to grab a friend to help flip the frame over so we can preload some bolts for our next stage. We're going to preload 8 bolts in total, one at each end of your slopes and your verticals. A handy tip, put some masking tape to secure your bolts in place so when you lift your frame, they don't fall out. Grab your friend because we're now ready to attach our mid-wall joiner to the rest of the frame. Start by attaching your gutter to your vertical and slope. It slides underneath the profile of the vertical and slope. Now that our gutter is in place, we need to secure it with our preloaded bolts from earlier. For the slope, just remove your tape and the bolt should fall into place. For the vertical, you'll need a flathead screwdriver to push the bolt up into the slot. Moving on, we're going to line our sill up with our vertical. Remove the tape and slide the bolt into place. Now that we've attached our mid-wall joiner, we'll need to attach our following two sides. The sill, gutter and ridge are all labelled rear or mid-wall jointer. Make sure you get these around the right way when attaching to your frame, as the mid-wall jointer end has a special notch out of it. When you're attaching your second set of walls, your gutter sits on top of your slope and vertical. Once you've got your wall into place, bolt your gutter to your slopes and verticals. Next up, we need to attach our sill to our vertical. Make sure that our sill sits on the outside face of the vertical. And that's how you install a 10 series mid-wall joiner. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you in our next video.